Hello. Hello, everyone. Hi. Yeah, okay. Audio is good. Hi, Roxys. Hi, Dachi. Hi, Hundalaj. Hi. Where? My brain is still mushy. But that won't stop me from streaming. I need to keep to the schedule for myself. But I don't know how energetic this stream is going to be. No, there was the guy. I want to do some more work on that. Add dynamic bones to the derpy fella. But how is everyone doing on Valentine's? At least I've been told it is Valentine's today, so that avatar looks like he has a lot of work in the morning to get clean and his fur in order. Yeah. Is it? I think so. I honestly don't care. I don't celebrate any holidays, but I mean, dynamic bones, dynamic bone chain. Valentine's? I don't do Valentine's. I do discount chocolate day the day after, though. Yeah. I mean, it is a bit different now since I do have a boyfriend, so. Why dynamic bones? It is Valentine's Day. Valentine's today, yes. Ooh. So I haven't been lied to. Yay. What? What? This avatar has some suspicious bones. Why does it have bones on the butt? Not running out to the store to get something for his shirt. It is one of those. I forgot. What about Dutchie? It makes it slappable, I guess. So it's yeah. I'm not putting dynamic bones on that. If someone wants it, they can add it themselves. But the tail does need some gravity and adjusting the values. Add some dampening. It might be a bit too much. What is it? Why am I so important now? Eh? Nothing. Okay. Hmm. What about bringing down the stiffness? Yeah, that feels alright. Fluffy drags need to be fluffy, smooth, and flowy. Okay. So you can see it. I think this feels okay for a tail. After I'm done with the dynamic bones, I might play around with the yeet command to add like the targeting. Right now, it still will yeet whoever's closest to the chat. So I'm with them on the Rezo. Nice. Good. Back fur. Yeah. Physics, dynamic bones, dynamic bone chain. Set up from children. Oh. And this will definitely need to be a lot more subtle. Speaking of, where Poofy? Probably napping. It's a cat. What else? He was at work. So yeah, I don't think he's home yet. Pause. It feels. Oh, how do I? Make the inertia weaker. Stiffness. What do you guys think? I don't know. I'm not so sure about the back fluff. What if I add inertia? Maybe? Honestly, like with the maybe. With the Valentines and all the holidays, I don't like them. There's just like with Christmas, you give people gifts. But like if I want to give someone something, I will do it whenever throughout the year. Like, hey, I found this cool thing that I think that person would like. So if I can get it, and I think, you know, it will make them happy, I will just do it. So like with like all this stuff, I don't love Poof any more or less just because it's Valentine's. It's yeah. Whee! That was a good eat. Damn. Yeah. Ooh, I'm growing. Wow. Where's more fluff? That should be moving here. So that's going to be on the head, I'm guessing. Wow, there is so many different chains for the head hair. I mean, there is hair there, and then like all of these are separate, like chains of the dynamic bones. Wow. And Tom Fox joined somewhere. There he is.
Yeah,
Coconut.
Tom joined.
Hello.
Coconut?
Yeah, coconut. Enable preview for everyone there. I do, like, since you're here, I do have to set up the dynamic bone for every chain, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's annoying.
No, it's okay. I was just making sure if I got it right. If I understand them correctly. Wow. And I still need to learn how all the, like, sessions work. It is on contacts only. So it should be... Oh, thank you for the follows. Hello. Hi. Oh, I know. I muted these notifications, but yeah, thank you for the follows. Wow. What was I saying? Yeah, if it's on the session is context only. It should be context of the host, right? So context of the headless. So no one should be able to get here if they're friends with me. I think. Right? Okay. There. Is it just really quiet?
Okay, gonna be off for a while.
Okay. Yeah. A lot of dynamic bone chains. Going to be fun adjusting all the values. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. Ooh. Oh, there's fluff on the neck. Bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum. Or is it? Or does that not? Or shoulders maybe. Means arm fluff. That's not it. Bam, 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 bam. Is that this being moved? What is it parented to there? Like the floof like here on the side of the neck. Huh. Bam, 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 bam. Can I? Oh, there's a there's a bone on the nose. Bam, bam, bam. I could make it squishable, like when you boop, it will like squish a bit. Huh. Okay, but the ears need dynamic bones. Nope. There. Oh, I could make them. I could make one of the values drive the other one. So I could adjust one and it would adjust both of them at the same time. Huh. I need to add the toggle to not squish. Yeah. Okay, that should be fine. I think. I mean, fine for now. I can adjust the values later, probably on the hair. The ears should definitely be more stiff than the hair, but I don't know. I mean, they are now, but yeah. Wah. Uh, wow. Okay. Also, if you are on the Discord server, I added a channel to like the information category with a link to my website and a link to my public folder here on Resonite. So if you're interested in any of that, it's there. I will at some point like try to update my website, but I will to add like much more to. I could add like more links. Just I'm gonna be on Lurkies. Okay, I could add more stuff to the website, but it would be like like links, just buttons on there. Otherwise, I would have to probably like start from scratch because I'm not a web developer. I don't make websites. No. I can make APIs. And then if you want a website to communicate with that API, then just go away. No, you. Killing me, killing me. Right, I need up. Oh. Add to. Add a toggle here. Height. Schnitt variable. Oh, I see. Height. Snit. Enter. want the value to drive the render transform override. So, yeah, okay. You didn't see any change, but I did. Okay. Right, the context menu has wrong name. Still says my item, which should be changed to, I don't know, Winterbolt. Enter. And now, yeah. The context menu is properly named. Okay. Infinite power, infinite power. Um, I'm thinking. I completely forgot about the dynamic bones when I was working on it yesterday. But I don't know if I'm still forgetting something for this guy. It's got dynamic bones. It can be still adjusted. I'll see how it like feels and moves. But I think it looks alright. I should save that. There. Okay, and if I equip the guy. Wow. Kundalaj is lurking. Wow. Enjoy the lurk. Wow. It's moving. Thank you. I don't know. I feel like it feels alright. It's still like the hair is kind of rubbery though. What? It's a pooper. I don't know. Oh, just yeah. I think it's okay. I could add like settings for auto toggles because it has like the avatar has like different teeth type and different eye, so I could add that as well. Because if I go in here and find the mesh, Um, haha. There. No, no, no. Oh, it's tiny. I wanna. Where is Jono's? Mouth, eyes here, because you can have like different pupils. Or like it is cool, but there is also like this, which is, I don't know. Me when I look at poof. Wah. Yeah, I think I will try. I will try to add the context menu stuff for this. Uh, delete this, delete this. And I need a different dynamic variable. So data, dynamic value variable. Let me check. Okay, it doesn't look I'm dropping frames. That's good. Mwah. And I will need. I mean, is bool going to work? Because the value is float on the Because the the blend shapes are like a float value between 0 and 1. But I only wanted to turn off like 0 or 1, not in between. So is Resonite good enough that it will do that? Let's start with the heart. I don't know. I don't think it will. Okay, well, attach component. Huh, that's a shame. Can I? dynamic, value variable, float. And the value is 0. If I take the value from here, copy on there, I can drive it now. Okay. Value copy pool. I heard. The target is state on Boolean driver. Huh. Can I somehow? Float. Float to no. Float bool no. If I just do bool, nah. Float. Let's do something. Yes. Nope. Heart. Need somehow. I need to somehow drive a float value with a boolean, like convert between them. I mean, that would be the easier solution there might be. Haha. I mean, I could. No, that seems stupid. There, I could do it with flux, but there has to be a way with components. Well, I keep whooping myself. I touched my face too much. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Wow. My own avatar scared me. I forgot he's just standing there. Bum, 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 bum. Hmm. I mean, I could do it with Flux, I guess. I mean, I know I can, but there has to be a better way. Let me spoil a print manager. Got a print. Hmm. Systems. And switch to. I said switch to the Flux tool. Hmm. Okay. Move the chat so I can still see it. Variables, dynamic, input. I need bool. Yeah, okay. No, that's the wrong one. There. You know, I will use the Twitch phone. De Gunderlash mate. Okay. Value button toggle. Button events. What is the that works. Maybe. Let's test it. Unpack that. Was on here. Okay, yeah, on press. That's good. That works. So, alright, this is hair on the screen. Right here, hips, spine, poop, why, poop. Leg, head. And I want to copy. Oh, no. Not that. I want to copy this one. And this one is for the camera. If I go context menu, height, snoot. Can copy this. For cam. It's probably hopefully not too. Okay, it's fine. I can type it properly. Camera. Hi Spec, how are you? Height snoot cam value drive. Okay, that works. Waking up. Ooh. Slowly. Yeah. I'm probably doing something very stupid, but eh. Drive. Would there be... Oh, I'm blind. There's a lerp. Lerp. Float. No, float Q is no. I don't know. Float. Yeah. Is there a map? What's this? Right. Can I just grab the value? No. What? Oh, are you making the... Nope. I want to drive... I need to drive a float value with a boolean, and I don't know how to do it with components. I said I'm doing something really stupid. I mean, I could just go in and if. But how do I? Maybe. Let me look. Okay. So. Bool. Okay. Value. Driver. Boolean value driver. Won't. So the state would be this. Target field. Well, this works. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, Spec. What's the other ones? People's small bites. I should probably. There's pupil. You. Small. This field is this, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's a handy one. There's lots of things in the same category as that. Yeah. Ooh. My head is flat. And it's not. Okay. Let me rename this one as well. Nope. Pupils part and a dynamic variable. Pupils part. Okay, copy that. Small, wide. It's false. Yeah, and it is wide. Let me spawn a mirror. Okay. Because like this is, I mean, I could make the like wide pupils or like the small pupils. I could make that a like actual float, but this avatar has it set up like as a toggle even for like from the original offer for VRChat, so I can just stick with that. Slit, goat, and star. Okay. So I have slit. Pupils. Slit. This one here. Adding a float wheel to the menu is harder than you might expect. The template is like hundreds of. I know. I did have a flow. I did take it from someone, and it's. It's not fun to make it. I know. It's like I'm saying, well, I could in theory make it, but no. Goat and last one star. And then I will probably add it to another submenu. If I had more options to adjust stuff on the head, I will make it a submenu. Did I not? Oh, there it is. I was like, did I not prepare anything to drink? I did. Oh wow, and this is really awkward drinking from a can with a headset strap on your head. No star. There. And stars. Wow. But how is the spec doing during Valentine's? Do you celebrate it? What's your opinion on it? I think I didn't talk about it with you here, or you were like, yeah. There were. Oh no, I think no broke up with the. Oh, boyfriend over Christmas, so I'm just chilling today. Oh, I'm sorry. But you know, it's a discount chocolate day tomorrow. We have to look on the bright side. Yeah. Wait a minute, I'm just noticing something. Why is there 500 notes on the hand? Oh, it's the tool anchor. Okay, that's good. That's fine because I have it. Yeah. Because I'm wearing the avatar. What would I? Context menu. Radial something gradient UI. Context menu, submenu, and item source of right. Item source and submenu. Yeah. Can I just do this? Okay. Good. Now if I just might as well make a child node for that. And that's the pause. Menu, submenu, item source. Items root. I did get to be in the background of a devlog last night. That was super cool. Oh, that is cool. Like how Frooks was showing off the Unity SDK and that it's still multiplayer, right? That was cool. Yeah. Yeah, that was cool. It's starting to look good. Like the API, like the you know the foundations are getting there. I can see the potential of like building on top of what's already there. Anyway, I'll make a copy of this. Move it there. People start knowing that is. Yeah, and no, and Paul. English. What's the clause? That is somewhere. Wow, 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 wow. Poofy, hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi. I should add the back button too. I'm waiting for Uber home. Wow. Okay. Okay. Where is the? Oh, there is the blush. Wow. Oh, finger claws. I'll be back when love you. Love you too. It's using the I think the wash. Which one did I use? Star. Is the star one still working? It is. Okay. And the pause. Work. Okay. Uh, Feedball class. And that's there. The value should be off. So if I okay, okay, that is working. Good. Oh, did I? Bum, 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 bum. I have to save the avatar. Save avatar. There. Bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum, bum, ba-da-dum, bum, bum, bum. Can I adjust the settings for this movement? I can zoom in. Alright, fine. Okay. I've added a bunch of toggles. I should add colors to it. Yeah. So settings will be green. Or sure. This will be there. Just give it some colors. White is boring. Okay. My head is wet. So now, if I go in, I have these adjustments. I can adjust stuff on the head, which is the different like pupil shapes, or I can hide the paw claws or feet paws. But I should probably say hide, so it makes sense because it's off, and the paw and the claws are on. So the settings should be like hide the claws. Oops. Damn. Okay. Hide. Enter. So now if I go in, pause, hide hand paw claws, hide feet paw claws. Nah. But now it feels long, so hide finger claws. Hide toe claws. There. Wah. Okay, save. Wow. How long am I streaming? Hour and 20 minutes. Wow. Okay. I think I will take a break from working on that avatar. If there is anyone still here, if no one's fallen asleep yet, or if like everyone hasn't fallen asleep. Just finished breakfast. Hell yeah. What did you get for What did you get for breakfast? I hope it was something good. Eggs, toast, and sausage. Nice. There is so much to. There is so much to like properly setting up the avatar. Because like if it was just for me, I wouldn't bother with all the like eye shapes and stuff, but I want it to be set up correctly. Like when I imported this avatar myself, I didn't even have a booper because I just couldn't be bothered to do it. And I did no, it's not imported. I don't know how loud this is going to be. I did make a thingy. Little pop sound, but I don't think that will work for the booper. The squeaky toy is better. The pop works better for UI stuff and whatever. And you can, but okay, I could see what can I do with audio in Resonite. Can trim silence. It's the phone. Yes, it is. Hello. If I knew you would use it, I would spend more than 1 minute on it. Hey, it does exactly what I wanted to do. No, I have both. But I have a million like inspectors open, and I kept covering them, so I spun the phone out. It's fine. If it doesn't work well enough, I can just fix it myself. I can't really. I can't really do much with the sound. I can like normalize it and trim silence. Still in Resonite, Kundalach, they're still hanging out with someone. Oh yeah, what happened on the Discord? Yeah, there was a bot or something just spammed a bajillion gifs and stuff. He's still with friends. No, it's okay. Just making conversation. Yeah, there was a bunch of stuff that I then had to delete. Because when I banned the person, the messages stayed there because they used like a Discord app or whatever. So it was like, so the messages came from a different account. So I then had to go in and delete them. I woke up, I saw all the notifications, and immediately went to my laptop to delete it. He's American, so I don't get to hang with them often enough. Hang with them, it's fine. We all have other friends. I don't expect you to be here. You're just free to join if you want to. It was like open invitation, but no expectation. We are allowed to have other friends? I think so. But okay, since you are here, I can show this. Lower. I'm still here, just finishing up a repair time. I have been listening all the time. Good. I have this guy set up. And I have the snoot in my face. Okay, there it is. Wah. And I even. Why doesn't all the floof move? What do you mean all the floof? Like this on the side or the chest floof and stuff? Oh, because it felt silly making this floof move, and I can't find if this floof has any bones. I couldn't find those. I found the other ones. I just didn't. Those I didn't do on purpose. This I couldn't find the bones. But I was going to show off. I need to add a back button to it. Where? All the stuff. No interpol. I know. I didn't. Hey, it was difficult enough to do it because how do I drive? How do I drive a float with a boolean? Good job. Yeah, I did that. So like, yeah. So am I missing some settings on it? I did use Boolean Valley drive. Yeah, that's what it is using. Cause spec set it and it's it clicked. So like I did that, but Boolean drive smooth. Okay. Oh, thank you for the follow, Claude Grey Wolf. Hi. What did you say? Smooth value. Let's see. Smooth value float. Just careful with some things with smooth value. It will never fully reach 0 or 1. It should be fine if it's close enough to 0 and 1. Float precision funnies, yeah. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's like 0.01 off, you know, it won't be noticeable on this. Yeah, fine for blend shape, looks good for animation state trigger. Yes. It only matters when you do like equals on it. Yes, yeah. Okay, what am I doing here? Smooth value float. Right? So I want I'm a bit confused. Is this value will be... Yeah, that would be the blend shape, and... Target value set by the bull driver. Okay. So, body... And it's... On which one? Heart. Open link. Okay. Yeah, so... Target field is the target value. This. Heart will go here. And if I go... Yeah, it works. Wow. Thank you. Now to do it with all of them. Wow. Flat. Oh. Ah. I was like, what? Yeah. I need to figure out, like, is there a way to see if the user is using like the POV camera? Because then I could just drive that not with a toggle in the context menu, but when the POV camera is on. So if I go into POV, can I see something here? Oh, you have it for the cam, yes. Yeah. Put a near. Oh. Good. But that. You could just offset the cam or put a near clip on it. There. Right? It still works and you can't see it. Well. Okay. I don't see a near clip on it. I would have. I don't know. I know. I'm going to small POV. It's like offsetting it. But there is. There is no like clipping options, like the near clip, far clip, whatever. Huh. Do I have to make my own streaming camera? Yes. Wow. But that sounds like work. I already got enough work with this thing. But I can get. Don't be. Hey! I'm always lazy. Can get rid of this. I will not delete it just yet. Oh, okay. He's a programmer. They are born lazy. Exactly. You can be lazy when you have the green. Wow, it's just blackmailing me into becoming a mentor. Wow. Most mentors are lazy already. Wow. Green mail. Mm-hmm. You know, I will delete this. I deleted the toggle for the camera thingy. And if I go on here, there is a render transform. override that I can... that I can now delete as well. Okay. So it's coming together, like, you know, pretty nice. I need to replace the sounds for the booper, but I just grab random sounds, like two random different sounds. I need to put something else. I was looking through the Unity package for this, and I don't think there is a sound on it. In Unity, it is like the avatar page says that two winter bolts can like boop their noses together. So I will probably add the touch thingy, whatever, to the nose. But there was no sound file, so I'll have to be creative and choose something for myself. The touch thingy is a bit more involved. It's fine. Because it's only meant to be on ours. Nah, it's fine. Nah, okay. You have to put an arm on your head. Easy. Nah, okay, but it has a booper. The Dutch thingy? Yeah, the Dutch thingy. Whatever. I was just saying. I don't. What is the Dutch thingy? I'm concerned. Ask Dutchy. Yeah. What sound do you think would this kobold make? Or do you think that the dinosaur is good? Yeah, it's a kobold. I mean, yeah. Or like a wyvern. I mean, okay, let me go. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a kobold, but if it's a kobold, it needs a yep and a yap. Yep. Yep. Winter. Bone. Maybe a yop too. Sheep. Yeah, it's a kobold. Yip yep yop. That's what they do. Where? Yeah. I still need to put the clothes on it as well. The Avivi is cool. Avivi. Eh? The one you posted on Discord. Oh, hi, Skyfox. Hi. It's Valentine, I know. Awful, isn't it? Don't forget to kiss your homies. There is only one. Where? Thank you for the follow. There's only one person I would be kissing, and he's like a bajillion miles away. Yeah, and the Avali is cute. Why do people always pick people that live so far? Why don't you find someone in your neighborhood? And Kundalaj, yeah, right? Yeah, right? Yeah, right, Kundalaj? Like, finding someone closer. Yeah, I still have it pretty good. Compared to you. He's only in the UK, not somewhere off on the other side of the planet. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know. Literally the other side of the world. Yeah, like what do you mean? Why don't you find like, or like why do you go from a door to door and ask if they have a fluffy dragon available? Like, what do you mean? Like, choose someone closer. I didn't really like choose. It just happened. There's nothing I can do about it. I can bully him to moving here. Or I could move there. You can. Wow. Kidnapping. You can move out and live in the woods. Or love in the woods. Both work. Yeah. Wow. Wobby wobble. Wow. I don't know. I don't know how to be a kobold. Smooth in the ice. Is it triggering you so much? Bold? Cobalt. Yeah. Cause. This is my avatar. Cobalt. Yeah. I mean, he is pretty like fluffy to be bold, but yeah. Wow. Is that your new Havino Mordaga? No, I was wearing because I was working on it. Can you kiss him? No. And why am I small? Are you not making it for yourself? Not really, no. I mean, I was like with Poof, we were making a texture for wow, even smaller. We were making a texture for it, so like I will use it, but I wow, why are you shrinking me so much? I will use the avatar, but I know nothing about. I know absolutely nothing about the species. Wow. 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 Ah. Whee. Wow. He gone, yeah. John understood this time. Wow. Shrinking again. Okay, Chad, other way around. Wow. He's trebuchet size now. Now we can yeet him to the UK. Wow. If I, well, if I'm if I can, if I'm tall enough, I can just take a step and be there. I can just step over the channel. I can get rid of this as well. I was gardening before the stream. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, Poofy! Hi, 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 hi. Make him big enough so we can see his paws. Wow. How about no? Let's put another ball over. Wow. 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 Poofy is home. Yay. Wow. Fine. Whee! Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Oh, I thought it was you. Wow. You can't even see anything anymore. Why are you growing me so big? Huh? Huh? Almost as big as me. Wow. Wow. Groin cam, yeah. You did it to yourself. Whee! Wow. Wow. It doesn't go as high when I'm this big. Did I forget to check the... We need to synchronize chat. Wow. Did I forget to enable the ignore mass on there? I think I did. All year at 59 minutes exactly. Let's see what chat can do. Whee! Why? Wow. Oh, guys, we need to sync. Okay. Wow. Wow. Jumping power.
Hello!
Hello.
Bye.
Wow. Why am I? Why am I so tall? I can't even fit through the door anymore.
Drink water, you dehydrated bitch!
Oh, drink water. Okay. Wee. Ten seconds. Get ready. Wow.
Hello there.
Hello there. All the channel points.
Bye.
Wow, nobody. Wow. But at least, but at least it's working now, because the chat is still owned by the. Wow, it's still owned by the headless, by the server, and it is working with the Yeet. So it's fixed. Of course, it works. I told you today. Wow. And like, why do I have to keep moving the camera up? Bean. Anything but being productive. No, the productive part was in the beginning, and everyone almost fell asleep. So now we are being silly. Why is bone another thing? What is that? What is that supposed to do? Put a bone in the... Oh. This one? Why? Should be a chat command. Yeah. I kind of wanted to do like cloud spawning. I know it's not like it's not supported, and it's like
Stop!
do you know to do it?
You violated the law. Pay the court a fine or serve your
I wanna
sentence.
do it.
Your stolen goods are now forfeit.
I didn't steal anything. No. Man, I can just have it like
Stop!
hidden.
You violated the law. Pay the court a
My
fine or
character
serve your
enable it.
sentence. Your stolen goods are now forfeit.
Stole my heart. Puffy. Damn, I'm so smooth. Wow. Smooth. Yes, definitely. Yeah. You don't fit in the frame, I know. Whee! I think I need to adjust the values though for the unprofessional flirter. I mean it worked, so I see you have met my arch enemy, Doorframe. Yes. I mean those are my enemies in real life, so wow, I'm growing even more. I have to be careful when walking through doors, especially in this house, because like I go through a door, boom, I hit my head on the fucking door frame. Are you me in real life? Wah. No, I am me in real life. Always me, nom nom. Anyways, me nom nom. Oh, your dessert later. Wow. Okay. Nom nom tom tam. Wow. Yeah, that's what he wants to do. Nom the tom tam. Do you have a tongue? I mean, I do. But Tom Tam noms on user for me. Wow. Wait. Yeah. Poofy and Tom being sus. No, not sus. There's nothing sus here. There is no war in Passing Say. I'm being a lurky because I'm modding another channel. But I did shout you in there. Wow. Okay, well, thank you. Enjoy the. Thank you. Yeah, no worries. I can chat because my friend fell asleep. I just holding them. Oh, Puffy, get here! I want to cuddle someone. Wow. That's so cute. I'm cuddling so hard. Wow. Eh? Is this it? Yeah. Okay. And they are doing little s'mores. Oh. Oh. Not fair. And they're even more cute than. That's illegal. Wow. There is the tongue. I was looking for the wow for the punch shape. And they are mine. You shall not get them. Wow. Yeah, I have Poofy. I mean, he's mine, and you no. And he's the cutest. Yeah. He's the cutest, and he's completely mine. Poofy is cute, but like not cute. No. He's the cutest. Mine is cute. Fight me. I will. Let me get rid of the gizmo. Yeah. One me on the Resonite. See? Loner agrees. Poofy cute. Oh, wow. Now they're calling me cute. Wow. Cute? Yes. Yeah, he's cute. The most cute? No. Mods? Nah. Poofy is the cutest. No. And I'm glad that he's not here because he would like be going nuts. Mods are gone. Oh no! I can say what I want. You know, there is still one person that has all the power here. What do you mean, who? Me! Poof. Poof doesn't have. Poof is not a moderator. Poof is a VIP. I'm not going to make my boyfriend work. No. Not even a mug. Wow. He's a VIP. The only VIP. You know, I will assign him as a head moderator, and no one will be able to do anything. Can I check the channels where I have VIP on? I have no idea. I have VIP on one channel, I think. As far as I know. Twitch is so bad, yeah. Oh, Poopy is here. Hello. Yeah, we definitely we're not talking about him. No. Rezo game. Do you personally build in Rezo? I mean, I was setting up this guy. He's trying. Wow. Yes. Yeah, I have this guy. I did set him up. No, like I do some stuff. Like like why am I so tall? Is because I made a plugin that can grow me or shrink in this case. I wasn't on about avatars. Things. Yeah, I mean these commands. I did that. and I will be working on this thingy. That's all that it does for now. But yeah, I'm builder too, but I'm having issues with dynamic bones. Ooh, I'm shrinking. I'm working on a book too. Yeah. Yeah, we have a mentor. Don't tell anyone there. Wow, I'm shrinking. They don't need to know. Wow. Wow, now Chad decided to shrink me again. Wow. Shrinking. Wow. Wow. Yeah, we are just an... Damn. We are just an hour in the future, so it's fine. Wow. You know, you will get more from the command if you wait until it's finished. Thou shall not stay the same size. Yeah. Tomtom shrunk and washed chat. Wow. Can I? Wow. Divide by 0? No. Okay, he got good size now. Wow. Wow. Am I? No, I don't know what scale I am. Poofy, a little more. Wow. And now I'm growing. Wow, it was a My scaling system tells you your current scale. Yeah, but you didn't finish it yet, so you ought to pop into my build world. Wow. Kundalach is busy cuddling someone. Yeah, just flexing on us with his cuddles. I want Poofy here now. I want to cuddle. I've been cuddling since 2 p.m. Wow. Wow. Where Poofy? Me want cuddles. Poof needs to catch up. Wow. Active sessions. Can I find you on here? What did you say the username was? I'm not going there now, but Alexander. Okay. Okay, check out a better place than this shit. I'm on my way. Yeah. Just logged in and walked into like 40 open inspectors from last night. Yeah. Where? Now we need to raise money to move Poofy here. Inspectors are like Chrome tabs. Yeah.
Drink water, you dehydrated bitch!
Is that enough inspectors? I had more, but I closed some. Drink water, I will. No, not enough inspectors. Stretch as well. Did I miss a stretch? Yeah, stretches. There it is. I found it. That's what I sound like when no poop. Good. I hope you practice your yoga later. Oh damn, that was good. Wow. Hmm. Wow. Nah, no need for that today. Wow. Tom Yoga is not fair. It's totally fair. Yeah. Um. Yeah. Cats are a non-Newtonian fluid. Ah, okay. Hmm. Hmm. If it's still, it's fluid. Yeah. I know what a non-Newtonian fluid is. I was thinking about the implications and thinking if I should say it out loud. You do nerd. You do nerd, but not everyone. Wow, he's calling me nerd. Wow. Mission accomplished. Wow. Wow. It's not that difficult. Big sminky nerd. Wow. Wow. Stinky, I know. But sminky is better. No, but yeah. Calling me stinky. Go get that. Wow. Wow. Oh. 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 I was going to hit chair instead of bonked myself. Amazing, good job. Oh. Wow. Oh. Even your body knows. Wow. Eh. Damn, can the snap distance be larger? I need to adjust that. Wow. Wow. Roxy's joining in on the bullying. Wow. For my problem with dynamic bones and book, I was gonna have flip pages. The bones be the point of animation. Page ban. Ah. Hmm. Yeah, I was just thinking. I don't know if you want the dynamic bones for that. Yeah. I mean, like, if an animation. I mean, you could trigger an animation, but if you want to like grab the page and turn it, huh? You can make anything grabbable. Yes. No, and there are like okay, let me where's like you could make the pages like do this basically, you know? Like rotate around the hinge. But how do you Pesos is sniping you. Hello. I guess you could do the down bones thing, but the book pages would be modeled. Oh, we have to be very specifically set up. It was more for page band, yeah. I didn't see the message, so I don't know what triggered it. So, bones. And we could do dim bones thing. Bruh. I agree. Bruh, indeed. John racing to get banned. Wow. It's not rigged. I was gonna rig within Rezo. For bones, where I don't know. Like, I mean, there is some automod stuff, and we have like some terms that are like banned, but bones is like none of them. So I don't know. I will have to look. Maybe Twitch changed something, because I put it pretty permissive now. Because yeah. Or I can just put in bones as a allowed thing. I should add. Yeah. Wow. See how. Wow. Wow. What are we gonna call them? Solid ghosts? Wow. Don't leave. Don't be sad. It's not allowed. This is the silly part of the stream. No sad allowed. You want me banned? I see. Wow. If I wanted your banned, I would have banned you. You know I'm working. Wow. Hi, Tribal Buzzard. Hi. Dachi with the banhammer. Dachi ready. You know I'm more cute too. Wow. Wow. First he tells me that his friend whatever is cuter than Poof, and now he's telling me that he is cuter than me. Wow. No. Poof is the cutest. I'm not so sure about myself. But You haven't seen my friend, that's why. Wow. What, Poofy? I think you're really cute. Wow. Wow. You are the cutest. You can't deny that. Yes, no way. 2.5 hours of Tom time. Wah. Wow. Already? Which avatar is this? That's the... I streamed for 3 hours yesterday. Tom can do more. Well, that depends. You know, it is Valentine's, so I was going to spend time with Poof. That's also the bolt, Cobalt. This is my avatar. I have a right target for today. Oh, I do. Kaiser. Ooh, okay. Where's the spine chest? Is it on here? Pull strings. Because someone didn't set up the dynamic bones for the strings. Physics, dynamic bones. It's better. It's on purpose. Or damn, that's... Now I have the pull strings working. Where's the grabbable thingy? Is grabbable. Yeah. Bring industrial strength duct tape with you to Poof to tape up the murder mittens. Wow. Are we tying up Poof? If he wants to. We need answers. Wow. Yo. Oh my god, you could hear the noises I hear right now. So cute. Wow. Oh, I'm growing. It's a safety thing. Tape get to bed so you can't fall out. Where? Okay, I'm adding this to the wall of ideas. And I'm shrinking. Wow. Sure, coming from you. Wow, he modified the emote. Wow. There is the kettle. Wow. Get modified. Wow. What did I do that makes you think so bad of me? Yeah, what makes you... I know... What makes you think so badly about the duchy? I like duchy. Wow. And why are you being so mean? Save avatar. Favorite avatar. Good. Leashes the goober, goes walkies. Wow. Mm-hmm. That's what I'm doing. Wow, there's nothing wrong with going on walkies. Mm-hmm. Absolutely nothing wrong. I'll bite you. Wow. The goober bites. Wow. Dachi, just get the tape and just tape the snoot shut. Tom is the best laugh ever. Wow. Notice I will bring muzzle. Uh-huh. Illegal? Nah. It's not illegal.
Rawr.
Rawr.
Drink water, you dehydrated bitch!
I just did. Okay, I will drink. Okay. Wah. A well-trained goober shows the time and effort you put in it. Wow. Dachi adopting the goober. Are you saying I'm not well trained? My master calls me a good boy. Wow. I mean, what? Wow. Beans. Wow, don't like it. Wow. Don't like being called a good boy. You're all just the best boys or girls or puppies. Excellent boy. Good puppy. Everyone calls me a good boy, not Tom Tam. What? My bad boy? Nah. You are cute and you are a good boy. Shoot all the cables. It's fine. Everyone calls me a good boy, not. Oh, that took me a while to understand. Sometimes best boy, but only after his code compiles without errors. Wow. So if I spend like 8 hours debugging, and you know, at the end of the day, I don't get the same errors. I get different errors. You know, that's progress. You know, different error is progress. So is that good or? There is a mentor protoflux basics certification, and one of the questions is about protoflux not compiling. Errors are still errors. Wow. I'm too. I have no idea what is going on. A lot. Like this. Nah. Oh, right. The coconut. That sounds like the default avatar. How do I, no? Just make AI fix all the errors? What? No. Why would I do something like that? There it is. Now I am a coconut. Tom Tango will already be a good mentor. Hey, I'm not a mentor yet, okay? See, I'm yet. Wow. I'm just a stupid coconut. Mm-hmm. Wah. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, AI is a great supportive tool, but wipe coders that do the thing irritates me, yeah. Dr. Stomach, Urslan upon the faster there, the quicker the progress. Why? I mean, half my job is wipe coding. I hate it, but it is the future. I hope not. I so hope it's not, because I like programming. That's the fun part. Why would I want to give that away? Yeah, super. You can do it yourself. Your job doesn't care what is the fun part. I do though. And I do the job faster than any AI. I mean, it might be because I'm using Rust and there is not as many like resources for it as other languages. But I am faster than AI. No, it's okay. I don't want to come off as mean, but I hate it. I did try. Oh, he did. He said the thing. I did. I did try it, and it was awful. It was like, I mean, some of it worked and stuff, but it was unreadable, unmaintainable. I had it too, but you will have to use it for real work soon enough. People who don't are less productive. I was less productive when I was using it. The maintainability and readability is due to not giving it rules, constraints, and context. I did! I mean, it had like two parts of the code that did basically the same thing. And instead of like using this, like reusing functions or whatever, it wrote them twice from scratch, both times slightly different. And, oof. Ask the right questions, wow. Sounds like one of the free LLMs? No. They do that because small context windows. I mean, yeah, but I did. It wasn't free, and it's been something over half a year ago. Did they improve so much in half a year? Oh, if it's more than 3 months, that's something else. Really? Damn. I hate this timeline. Can I just be a puppy? No. Can I just be a puppy? What pains me is all my projects within GPT-5 are gonna go poof if they go under. They just released GLM5 this week. What is GLM5? Wow, got a sniff of those spies for some reason. I accidentally scaled myself. Chinese open weights LLM. Damn. No. I guess I need to do more research. Well, I hate this. I hate it. This was like, programming is the one thing that I could do because it was fun. Comparable performance to Claude Opus, but cheaper. Of course it is. I think there will be people out there who will prefer programming coming from people. I mean, yeah, but like I had it too, but objectively I have to use it. Then you come to Reso, visual scripting, it really struggles to support. Yeah, but I can do at least 5 times more work with it. A friend of yours just this week wanted Android app to sing his calendars. In like 5 hours of vibe coding, he has a working app with no bugs doing exactly what he needs. It makes me normal because I'm 50% paralyzed again, makes VR interesting. Go slower. What? And now I really don't like it, but I don't know if I'm just an old man yelling at clouds or if it's like, if there is more to it, you know? I'm telling Kunaji needs to go slower and it's fine. I am an old man yelling at clouds. And I have to accept it. Oh god. Why am I getting assaulted? Wow. Wah. Wah. It is dark and the keys are close together. No, you need to get better at touch typing. It doesn't help that Tim Tams are a thing. I might. Oh. Do I have a picture? Keyboard and mouse. Where? Yeah. Keyboard and mouse. I know, but touch type is like typing without looking at the keyboard. I don't think I do have that picture. Oh no. I type with 2 fingers much faster. No. Right code will become same like writing assembly machine code was in the past. If you type with 2 fingers faster, that's fine, but like in general, it's not faster. I don't. Very, very fast. Wow. I'm growing. Damn. No, just getting censored today. And shrinking. Wow. Twitch. I think it thought that it's a link. No, don't do that. He might like it. I posted a link. Yes. Yeah, that's yeah. It's a monkey type. Links will get censored. Yeah. Monkey, you know it's just another monkey. 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 You know you're just another monkey. It's a typing speed website. I usually have around 80 words a minute. Not much. I'm not the fastest typer, and I should probably try it again. But yeah. And if you want me to type on a Czech keyboard, on a Czech layout in Czech, my speed will go to half because all the diacritics and stuff. It's hate it. Thank you for the follow, Pokemon Pharaoh. Hi. Already did one of those for a job application. What job required you to measure your typing speed? And Retro Gamer, thank you for the follow. 85 to 90. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in the same range usually. Around the same range. My roommate is way. Yeah, I know. This is what I said. I'm not the fastest typer, and if you are in a similar range, yeah. I mean, it's faster than most people. It's like it is above average. Compared to other people, nah. Like to like people that can actually type faster. I'm pretty sure it is. It was for an online PC store. That okay, interesting. There is one Vim user in our office. It looks unreal. I am a Vim user. And I use Vim too, but not like that. I am a Vim user. I use exclusively Vim or like NeoVim to do all my work. I do all the Rust programming done in Vim. About 2 gram. Hey. Wow. It's faster. You don't have to go for the mouse all the time. You can just have your hands on the keyboard and do everything. How is it fast? It is faster. Once you get the motions and the commands, you can just go. Just use Vim motions and just no, it's not the same. When I was a teen, I could type fast enough with my index fingers that I got called a machine gun at times. Nowadays, however, I'm so slow, it can take me an hour of error correction just to get a chat message like this all the time. Why? With motions, yes. With no. But not. There is not. It's not just about the motions. I have it set up so that I don't know. I press. What was it? Space RR, and I can replace a symbol or rename a symbol, and I don't have to go anywhere on like whatever. And I have more of these motions, and you can't do that in JetBrains. Or well, I haven't figured it out. If you can, then maybe. But I'm also getting used to this keyboard. I spilled coffee on my last one not too long ago. Huh. But also, JetBrains is really slow. I mean, it's good, sure, but like it's slow. You can have full of emotions, but can you use like the Lua and stuff to set it up just like you can in the oven? Mine died to rage, or at least used to. Damn. My keyboard is what year is it? 2026? My keyboard is like 4 years old now. Mango Loco. Oh, that's a good one. I gotta be fast, but it don't work for peripheral slow. Wow. Convert your JSON back to CSV. That's evil. And what do you mean back to CSV? Same, I get the cheapest refurbished office keyboards because of how many I go through all the time. I can't do it. Like, my keyboard was £150, I think. I bought it in the UK. Because like, I need a good keyboard. That's why I didn't replace this one yet. Because like, I can't just like switch keyboards. I need. Even at work, when I started my job, I made them buy me the same keyboard. I have a whole shelf full of free Office System keyboards. Yeah, like the Office keyboard I got at work was awful. I have a Keychron Key3 and Key0 with custom switches and keycaps. Wow. I was using my nice IBM Model M till like, oh, that's cool. And with like the like mechanical keyboards, I have no idea where to even start. I absolutely hate linear switches. That's awful. But my current keyboards are around €2. Damn. If I wanted to buy a keyboard, I would like to, try the switches. Go into a store and try them, but there is just nothing around. Mechanical keyboards with hot swappable switches are always good. Yeah, but then like what switches do I get? And like which keyboard base? And then it costs like not £150, but like 500 and well. The keyboard I bought didn't come with any switches. Yeah, well, I mean, yeah. It's like you get the base and then you put in your own switches, but like, and then I got sample packs from a few. Oh. Choice paralysis. Yeah, I needed to feel good, you know. Like if I look online for keyboard reviews, it's like, oh, this one sounds so good, it's so creamy, whatever. I have no idea what any of that means, and I don't care what it sounds like. Aren't the Cherry MX the go-to by mechanical keyboard nerds? No, not really. It's like, what? What are you talking about? How is the keyboard creamy? Did you spill something on it? Oh. Cherry Max is the entry to mechanical keyboards. That's the most normie choice. Yeah. I want like tactile switches. If I was going to go for a mechanical keyboard. I wish I could make mine. Wow. Like if I was going to go for a mechanical keyboard, I want tactile switches, but well, which ones? Where do I buy the keyboard? I need like the layout to be correct as well. So like the left shift has to be like short, like split in two, and I need the layout to be good because I'm not relearning how to use a keyboard. I couldn't use anything other than mechanical. Okay, I will tell you what to buy. Wow, silly. It's. I did try doing some research into it, and it's frustrating. I'm gonna bring my keyboard to you. Wah. Fine, if you want to make that trek across the entire country, sure, go for it. 4 hour train from Prague, so add whatever time it takes you to go to Prague, and yeah. The best thing I went for is no keypad on the keyboard. Eh? Oh, right. A separate keypad. Numpad, yes. Oh, numpad, yeah. I do have a full-size keyboard, like 100% keyboard. But the one at work I use is a what is it, 75 or 80%, whatever. It doesn't have the numpad, but it has the other keys. It's not like fully like on like what's on the laptop, like shrunk completely, but yeah. Yeah, Savage, gotta have numpad. For me, the integrated numpad is mandatory on a keyboard. For gaming, yes. For programming, I don't need it. Yeah, mine is also 80, but a separate numpad. Yeah, okay. Like, numpad is nice sometimes, and like, you have more keys for games. Why would you need to integrate one if you can have a separate numpad? I mean, that works as well, sure. Then you can move it when you don't need it. I mean, that's a solid solution, yeah. And okay. I don't even remember why I got so heated about all this. Damn. I use the numpad about as much as the main text part. I almost never use it. Yeah, meanie. Wow, I'm not being mean. I'm passionate. Nah, I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes I miss my German keyboard with F keys up to F24. Oh yeah. I wish I had access to all the F keys. Modifier keys, kinda, but I want all the keys. All the keys physically there, no like modifiers. Yeah. Resonite doesn't even support those, by the way. Doesn't it? Oh, damn. But it is normal. Even though the flux notes. Okay, now that is confusing. Modifiers are lame, so are layers. Yeah. It's like up to F24. It has flux note for like F13, but it doesn't work. Huh. I think it's like F20, F24 if spec is correct. But that's normal, like, key codes. There's nothing special about it. I have a mod to fix it. Wow. I made it, but it broke with the splitting. Ah. Yeah, even Windows still supports F24. Yeah. Resonite supports up to F15 only. Wow. And was it a mod or is it plugin? Which one is which? With mods, you can join other people. With plugins, you both have to have the plugin, right? The Unity version they use supports only up to F12. Damn, that's weird. Unity. It used to be so good. So F13, F15 has flux nodes, but can never be triggered by Unity. Oh. As they use Unity for keyboard input. I mean, yeah. Huh. Unity. Yeah. I mean, they use they use Unity now for like the input output, right? It was a mod, yeah. So, you know, it's not just the renderer, it's like the controllers and stuff, right? I can make basic mods, but I hate mods? Yes, well, not control. Control is separate? Okay. Keyboard is Unity, controller is SteamVR. Oh, right. That's why there's also delta issues with keyboard input. Delta issues? What delta? Keyboard input is tied to the engine updates. Okay. So if the renderer, like if Unity slows down, the keyboard input gets like it's like all screwy. It's possible for you to press and release a key so fast Resonate doesn't realize, yeah. I'm imagining Quicksilver now, wow. You need to decompile Reza and see what I'm seeing. I didn't get to that yet. Kinda want to do it at some point, but yeah. Also, I need to start making plugins. Why? What do you need plugins for? Their plugin framework is kind of limited there. That's why everything is a mod. Ah, okay. I mean, that's... Oh, no. Plugins are officially supported. But if you have plugins, you can't Like everyone has to have the same plugins to join together, right? Correct? I mean, the mod loader is a plugin. Common misconception. There are types of plugins. Huh. I mean, misconception. That's like what Frooks said, you know? But then, yeah, like the mod loader is a plugin and not everyone needs to have it, so... Huh. Huh. I mean, it makes sense, yes, but... You can't have modified data model, then it's not multiplayer compatible. If you don't modify the data model, then it's fine, right? For example, you can have user space only plugin. Yeah. Huh. I haven't touched C# in a while. Like, I've been doing all my work in Rust. And when I wanted to do, like, something for myself, I would still use Rust. And if I wanted to have something really quick, Python. And if it was even simpler than that, Bash or New Shell. So, yeah. He said the thing. That only modify data model for your user space, and what space still multiply compatible. Right. Feature is just Microsoft flavored Java. Not anymore. I can grant you that it used to be, but not anymore. Twice, wow. Just not a fan of the mod landscape in Rezo. What's the problem with them? You're running so much unsigned code from random. Yeah. Yeah, to be fair, the only mod that I actually like looked through the code was Cherry Pick. And I even compiled that for myself and stuff, but 95% not even verified binaries. I mean, it is community made, so like, yeah. 20 cheese. Oh, beans! I didn't see that. Pony wanted beans, and I didn't notice. It doesn't really matter if they are open source, but releases are just random binaries built on the dev piece. Yeah. I mean, when they switched from .NET 9 to .NET 10, before Cherrypick updated, I did it myself. Compiled it and it worked, but yeah. I don't have full body tracking yet, so I can't really show beans, but mini beans. Look respectfully, okay? But I literally wouldn't play the game without mods. That's not a good state. Yeah. Wow, staring at the beans. It's still never bothered with mods. Do you even see the emote? Yes. If I want to see the emotes, I open the, I open desktop view. Wow, wow, ready licking the beans. Wow, wow. Wow. Sus. Wow. Speaking of emotes, when's the Twitch Chat Pro mod from you coming with emote support? Or is that another thing I will have to do myself? I don't know if I should modify Jax or make my own. Fair. That is fair. It can be a plugin for Jax, yeah. The emotes work in a weird way, yeah. It will have to be a fork. Yeah, I think so, yeah. I think it would have to be, yeah. But maybe I could make it and then give it to him? I don't know if you're closer to him than me. I mean, I haven't seen him in a while, but it was like Christmas and now he's busy with MMC, but... yeah. That's another thing we need, the versioning system. Oh yeah. Yeah. I try to... like, Jack with his Twitch chat and stuff, there is versions on it, and... like, Jack tries to do that stuff, but there's only so much you can do. It's not a version. I mean, yeah, I know. Yeah. It's just really stacking. I mean, yes, that's the most you can do right now. No, so like, yeah. You can't call saving test 2 blend, test 3 blend a versioning system. I guess, yeah. Huh. We need full-on Git for Rezo. Alright, I don't know if Git would be the best option, but yeah. The problem is that Flux Engine internals aren't platform agnostic. What's with the still image popping up? Still image? What? They are very much only C#. I don't see an image. What? I don't see an image either. Huh. I don't know. Yeah, in stream randomly, there's this full screen image of giant Tom Tom in this world. Rawr. So one poof here. Like you made a picture earlier. Right. Giant me? I didn't make a picture like that. Huh. Maybe Dutch issue? Sounds like it, but I don't know. I don't want to dismiss it completely, but if Kunglash doesn't see it, then probably a Dutch issue. A stuck iframe or something. Or whatever it's called. I don't see how it is from the stream. I mean, yeah. Huh. I don't know. I'm not watching the stream all the time because, like, yeah. Refresh page, yeah. Banana. Okay, but I already stretched the stream longer than I intended. Okay, I just ate a 40-centimeter pizza. Wow, and I want more. Damn. Hungry goober. No. Yes. Don't go. Wow. See, Poofy is already angry. I have to. I wanted to end a half an hour ago, but then I lost sense of time. But you're the only active Rezo streamer. Chan needs company. Wow, he has company. Poofy needs company. Might have to open a group daycare. Wow. Okay, so. Is Kaiser still alive? Wow, what wow? Why is Poofy wowing? Kaiser is still alive, okay. Can I find him? I think I'm following him, so if I filter by following, Kaiser here. Okay. Okay, so we'll be raiding Kaiser then. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for all the follows today. Oh, exclamation mark makes it not show. Oh yes, it doesn't show on the overlay. Yeah. Follow with raise the Kaiser floof. Yeah. Ooh. What did I do to deserve being yeeted? Wow, Roxas. Yeah. So like I said, thank you everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you for chatting. Wee. More eat. Wow. And next stream is on Wednesday. So I hope to see you all there. 3.5 hours of downtime. Yeah, an hour extra. You're lucky my chair is so comfy now. I got a new chair and it's so comfy. I mean, new chair, it's like... What? But... yeah. So, before we go, thank you again and bye-bye!